Hi, Joe Fallico again for Insignia Futures and Options. In this quick video, I'll be providing some resources on trading crude oil futures and options, so don't go away. With the recent global tensions and unrest, many commodity markets have risen in price. One of those markets is crude oil. Over the last few months, crude oil prices have risen over 40% due to this heightened market volatility. We've received many requests from investors interested in trading crude oil commodity futures and options. In light of all these requests, we've partnered with the Chicago Mercantile Exchange and will be making their crude oil futures and options toolkit available to anyone interested in trading this market. I'll place a link in the description below. The WTI Light Sweet Crude Oil Futures contract is the world's most actively traded crude oil contract. These contracts have deep ties to energy markets worldwide, making it the most efficient way to trade on U.S. and international events related to crude oil. This crude oil toolkit will explain the following benefits of trading these futures and options contracts, including market liquidity. Typically over 900,000 contracts are traded daily. 23-hour, 6 days per week trading. Manage your positions virtually around the clock. Capital efficiency. Control a large notional value for a small amount of capital. Safety and security. Rest assured trading these crude oil futures contracts on the world's largest futures exchange. I hope you're finding this video informative. Please take a moment to click the like and subscribe buttons below if you'd like to see more videos like these. This crude oil futures and options trading toolkit will also provide product information and contract specifications, including dollar values and symbols. It will also provide valuable educational and fundamental resources to help both speculators capitalize on market price movement and hedgers manage risk. Again, click the link in the description below to access the Crude Oil Traders Toolkit today. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below or feel free to contact me directly. I'll be happy to help.